अस्सलामु अलैकुम। हाल ही में सऊदी अरब की तरफ से तबलीगी जमात के ऊपर पाबंदी के हवाले से खबरें चली, जिसके ऊपर पाकिस्तान समेत मुख्तलिफ ममालिक के उलमा ने अपने ख्यालात का इजहार किया। इसके हवाले से डॉक्टर जाकिर नाइक, जिनको तकरीबन सारी दुनिया जानती है, उनका क्या रद्द अमल है और उनका क्या मौक़िफ़ है, आइए सुनते हैं।
I am Muhammad Athar Kamal. I am from Jharkhand, India. What is your view on the ban of Tablighi Jamaat in Saudi Arabia? I did read the article which came in the newspapers a few months ago that the government of Saudi Arabia has banned Tablighi Jamaat, and the person has asked the question, what are my views? Regarding the ban of Saudi Arabia on Tablighi Jamaat, I feel it is a big mistake. Maybe someone has wrongly advised the Saudi government, because of which they may have put this ban. According to me, alhamdulillah, Tablighi Jamaat is a very good organization. It's one of the largest Muslim organization in the world. And we analyze that, mashallah, they do good work. They go door to door and they invite the Muslims for good deeds, like offering salah, fasting, etc. They have done a lot of benefit for the spread of the deen. There may be certain difference of opinion, different of fiqh issues, and these are minor differences which should not be a cause for someone to have animosity. These minor differences are there. Otherwise, as a whole, the Tablighi Jamaat belongs to the Ahl Sunnah wal Jamaat, and I totally disagree with this ban of Saudi Arabia on this Tablighi Jamaat. Maybe, I believe somebody has misinformed them or may have given some wrong information about Tablighi Jamaat. I remember in my college days, I have been with Tablighi Jamaat a few times. I even remember twice or thrice on 3 occasions. I went for 3 days for the 3-day Ijtima, and they do invite people to Islam and to Quran and Hadith. Yes, there may be some of the groups may not agree with the methodology, which these are minor issues, or with issues of fiqh. This should not create a fitna amongst the Muslims. There should be no division because of these. So as far as my opinion is concerned, Tablighi Jamaat, mashallah, is doing good, and there is no reason that they should be banned by Saudi Arabia.